still warm. The ducks just dropped an egg. And these kits come with everything. Your filter, your net, you name it, it's in there. And then you have all your little decor that you could pick from. So you just go with some small, live, fake, live. Hey, buddy. Hey, Bubba's. What's up, buddy? What is going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is actually sponsored by API. More on them later, but I'm opening it up in front of our new horse here, Finn. If you haven't seen that video, you're probably like, what the heck? There's a giant mammal in your front yard. Yes, this is he's peeing right now. Got a bunch of landmines to clean up. You gotta do this every single day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Landmines everywhere. Over on this end of the yard, all the little piggies are eating. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. This enclosure should have some landscape coming soon. I wanna do a bunch of palmettos. If you don't know what those are, they look like this. I also forgot to say I'm putting a mango tree right here. So when that grows, drops fruits, pigs eat free, me eat free. Woo! I want to do those all over inside that enclosure to give the pigs that natural feeling where they can run through stuff and get shade. And then this over here is the goat enclosure. We have a lot of work to do in this enclosure still, but it's all done. Hector came, he finished this up. The goat enclosure is done. These guys should be here hopefully this week. We have a bunch of scrap wood and of course tires. We're going to be putting those inside here. I need to find a bunch of pallets to rebuild another playground here as well. And then once all that stuff's set up, then we can bring the goats over to this enclosure. But I just wanted to show you guys that the goat enclosure is done. The pigs are getting landscaped soon. The building should be up within the next month or two. I know, it takes forever. Literally, trust me, I've been waiting 7 months. There will be a building right there. Right from there to there, very soon. It's a puzzle piece just being put together slowly. Rosie girl, what's up, Rosie? Every other month I have the vet come out and just get a checkup on everyone, especially the pigs. So some hoof trimming, some tusk cutting. Just picked up the medicine from the pharmacy and they'll be here on the 31st of this month to just do everything they need to do to make sure these pigs are all healthy. Now to the fish topic, because that's what today's video is about. The pond is super clear, thanks to today's video sponsor. I'm happy to announce that today's video and today's 3,600 gallon water change is sponsored by API. API is a trusted aquatics brand that has been in the industry for almost 60 years, developing and perfecting products for your aquarium and ponds. They offer a range of test kits, water conditioners, fish medications, and even nutritional products to help the consumer create the most natural underwater world. The products are super easy to use. They even showcase how to use them and what to do. API has given me the new sneak peek of their newest product, API Pond Aqua Essential. You've seen me use it in the past. All-in-one highly concentrated pond water conditioner that instantly makes tap water safe for fish by removing the chlorine, chloramine, and detoxifies heavy metals commonly found in tap water. Now you can use this API Pond Aqua Essential whenever you start up a pond, or in this case, like we did today, adding or changing water. We did it like a 75% water change. This thing needed it bad. As you can see, our filter is back on. Now, although the black liner doesn't help the fact that it's not clear, you could see the fish at the bottom. The water is clear. Look at that. Pond Aqua Essential helps when you do these water changes. I never do water changes without having this on hand. Or even when you use the Pond Master Test Kit, Pond Aqua Essential comes in handy then as well. If levels of ammonia, nitrates, and nitrite are high, Pond Aqua Essential works through a chemical interaction with the toxic components, removing their associated harmful properties, but still allowing the biological filter to break down the ammonia and nitrite. API Pond Aqua Essential is also okay to use with any other API water conditioner. And it's available to purchase on Amazon right now. Just click the link in the description down below to purchase, and select pond products are also on sale. Like I said, the pond looks amazing and I never do water changes without it. Not kidding, if you don't own it, you're asking for problems. Top link in the description, get yourself some. Thank you so much API for sponsoring today's video. Now without further ado, we have a clean pond and we can start today's video. Let's go! Little tank setups, and we want to get one for the house. Maybe we'll put it in the bathroom, the kitchen, who knows where we'll put it, but we're gonna make something baller today. And these kits come with everything, your filter, your net, anything on filter, quick net, thermometer, you name it, it's in there. I don't know if we're gonna get that one exactly yet. There's a lot of options, and they have like this stuff now, which is like artificial rock already set up for you. Look at, there's more over here. We have literally little tanks right here, 2.5 gallons. We have a dory tank, frozen. We know this one real well. Actually, one of my biggest videos is making this. I haven't made these types of videos in a long time. Look at how tiny this one is. This one's too tiny. I wouldn't even know what to put in this other than a minnow or a shrimp or something like that. And then you have all your little decor that you could pick from all along here. I mean, we could make a video of something like this, like the pirate tank or the frozen tank or the dory tank or the SpongeBob tank, but I think we're gonna go more towards the nicer side of things. Spend a little bit more money, but get something like this. But along with this, you're gonna need more because the tank includes LED lighting system, glass aquarium cover, Biomax insert, activated carbon insert, safe and low voltage transformer, foam filter block with handle. So we need substrate and we need decor. So you just go with some small black. Small black? Yeah, small black gravel. This right here should fill that entire tank. And then we're gonna need some plants. These ones look really real. They're actually called naturals. Or do we do live plant? Live, fake, live. Look at how pretty that discus is. Now, I personally ran out of Quick Start, but API does carry Quick Start, which today's video is sponsored by API. And they've got it right here. They've got it in pretty much all your local pet stores. So we're gonna grab one of these right here for fresh and salt water. All right, that's where it's gonna go. And it's time to set up this bad tank. Inside my bathroom is where I'm actually gonna do it. I was gonna do it in my room, living room. I didn't know exactly where I was gonna put it, but I decided the bathroom right here is like a good spot. Now just fingers crossed that this is not cracked because it's happened to me before. Bam, and that right there is the tank itself. We have our top on, our light is on. Everything is set up, ready to get substrate in, so let's get it. We will rinse all the rock off prior to putting it in. It's not too big, it's gonna look very nice. Boom, rock is in, substrate's in. Now we gotta get our live plants and put those suckers in as well. I got a lot of live plants, too many for sure. This is probably too much. They gave me so much. Got this beautiful Java fern right here. I love this plant. This plant grows plants on the end of the plant. This is the coolest piece I bought right here, check this out. It's a piece of driftwood with a plant in it. I've got my phone out because my camera doesn't really get close-up things or too far away things exactly right. But my phone does, so you can see the inside of the tank still has plenty of space. Pump is in the back. Our piece of driftwood lines up perfectly along the back and then lays perfectly flat on the glass in the front. I am so glad I went with the black gravel. I'm also so glad I went with live plants. They're so much better than artificial, and I've learned that throughout the years of being in this hobby, 100%. But I've got some nice Java fern back here, this beautiful piece of wood right here with some live plant grown onto it. I gotta fill this up real quick, which won't take long. I don't exactly know how many gallons this is. How many gallons is this? 2.6 gallons. So it's not crazy big, but what I do want to ask you Cuffaros is what I should get for this tank. What do you think I should get for this tank? I want to see thousands of comments. You yourself can comment 10 different times, and whatever I end up getting, I will feature the comment that I go off of in the next video. 2.6 gallons, let's just say 3 gallons, and it is freaking beautiful. Definitely gonna want to do some smaller fish or shrimp, tiny stuff for sure, but comment down below. I need to fill this up. Well, that is that, Cuffaros. We just made a super cool 3-gallon tank. If you enjoyed it, please do smash that like button, and I can't wait to see what you guys comment to get for this tank. We obviously had to let it cycle. I threw some quick start in there from API, and that will help get this thing going. Let me know in the comments. But I'm not ending the video here. Stay tuned. We're gonna head over to the farm right now and give you an update on all the animals. There's Kev. What up, Kev? And the entire duck squad. It looks good in here. We're at the PC, well, the original PC farm, now VZ farm. It's still warm. The ducks just dropped an egg. It's the day after Easter and they're dropping eggs like crazy. I wonder if these will hatch. They're most likely not going to. Pekins are one of the hardest ducks to hatch. It's a big one. Oh my goodness. Another one! Look at all the iguanas in the backyard. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are the duck egg eaters, hence why the eggs never hatch. The iguanas eat them all. Look how pretty that one is. Someone dropped this guy off to me the other day, and she's just beautiful. We rescue a lot of ducks, and all these guys will soon eventually come to the new place. Oh, Gary. Boots Amelius, what's going on, buddy? And of course, little baby here. I need to make something like this in my new house. Something just like this will be done in that goat enclosure, by the way. Hi, Lady May. Mango, looks like you need a nice tusk shaving soon. No need to be so aggressive. I just wanted to end off the video here at this place so you guys get an update on all of the animals. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. Anthony, what do they do?
Smash the like button.
Subscribe down below. And I just filmed a video with VZ Kids as well, which will be going live on their channel. It's probably maybe even live right now. If you guys want to watch that, I'll have the link down below. And API, big shout out to you. Water changes are impossible without you. Go check out API down in the description as well. I'll see you all next time. Peace!